Yes. Hello, I'm doing fine. 1 second, please, because I quickly need to share this meeting with my worker, but
Yeah, sure. No problem.
I'm not sure. Do you know where I can find the link to do that?
Okay,
Or
at the Zoom, at the top of the Zoom, you will see an option there. Okay. I'm giving you the link on Upwork, okay?
yes, yes, thank you. Thank you.
So how is going actually the responsiveness and other we actually
Yeah,
go yeah.
yeah, it's already looking really good. Thank you for the quick time and help.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will wait a few seconds for my coworker to join to talk about the new.
So he's the business partner?
Yes, yeah.
Wait.
He is actually the one who created Swoop. So he's a data AI engineer.
Okay, got it, yeah.
So where are you from? Bangladesh, right?
Okay, yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. This is actually beside India, and it's an independent country, and most of us are actually Muslims, and like we actually our story, history, everything is belongs to like India. Most of them at the very beginning, like before 100 or 150 years ago. So India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh was the same country. After that, that is divided.
Was it all called India then?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And you have your own company, right? Because
Yeah, I
I
have
saw
one
that.
company and I have actually 32 developers are working under me actually. We are working on Wix, WordPress, Shopify, any web platform. So
Okay, so all web creating,
yeah,
designing.
yes,
Okay,
website.
nice.
Yeah, great. And this is not actually only account, so we have actually multiple accounts we are working on it. Okay,
So
I think.
you all work from platforms like Upwork.
Hello, Maris, how are you?
Hello.
1 second.
Are you struggling with your camera, Maris?
Yeah, a little. No, it's working. I think it's
Yeah,
like 5 years ago I used Zoom. Hello.
hello,
Good
how are you?
afternoon for you, or maybe evening already.
Yeah, it's evening already. So you both from Netherlands, right? Dutch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
You are from Bangladesh, I heard?
Bangladesh, yes, right. So I'm fond
Nice.
of Netherlands football, actually. They are doing great on football.
Is Bangladesh doing great at football?
No, Netherlands is doing great.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sometimes it depends, but yeah. Nice. Do you like football? You play football yourself as well?
No, actually, we're a developer and I have a team of 32 developers. They're working on different CMS like WordPress, Shopify, Wix, and like React or any web CMS on web stacks. So we actually building applications and websites and working on Upwork like that.
Nice. That's something else than being a football player. Well, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, I think let's dig into it.
Yeah, because for the Spook website we have a new yeah, how do I call it? New thing for you to do if you can make that possible. But you know, we have the systems one in the menu, the systems page. I don't know if you saw that while working on the website.
Yeah, saw that.
Yeah, and we are working with a lot of different systems, and yeah, maybe Maris, you can explain it a bit better what needs to happen for that page, because
Okay.
Let me check. Yeah, first of all, I need your email actually, because it will be better if you have this document as well. Or maybe Laura already sent it, but I'm not quite sure.
no, I didn't send it yet. The zip file, you mean?
Yeah, the zip file. Yeah. Okay, I'm
No.
going to send it immediately. Can I have your email, Minhazul? Do I
Yeah,
speak it correctly then, Minhazul?
yeah, Minhazul, it's okay. So I'm sharing the email address. Okay, I can share the email address on Upwork as we already hired.
Oh, yes. You're going to share it in Upwork, or?
Yeah, I'm sharing on Upwork.
I can send it to you, Maris, because I have Upwork open right now.
Okay, send the link, email address on Upwork.
Yes.
And I saw that in the system page, there are some, I think, HubSpot CRM, then Extract Online. I think these are some services, and this just images are linked. And I think, can you see my screen? Okay, I can. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, let's carry
Oh,
on.
sorry, I started to share my screen, but
Yeah, sure, carry on, carry on.
what are you guys currently seeing? Are you seeing now my mouse cursor? Because
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm seeing desktop. Yeah.
Okay, nice. This away. Yeah, shall we first go to the part of the system, or just to go
Yeah.
through to the entire web system? Yeah, so here we actually just send you a zip file, or actually we are going to send you a zip file. Because do I now have the email, Laure? You sent it to me somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you did. Well, now you have the document as well. And actually here 365 applications need to be popping up, because our application is compliant or working together with all those 365 applications. Currently, those applications which are now set here sometimes are clear, sometimes they are kind of messy with the pixels. For example, this twin field is really ugly. I think they are also allowed to be a little bit smaller as well, instead of big like this. And I really would like to add a search box. So for example, we are using the application, I don't know, Instagram, then I want to add here a search box that people can just look whether the application is integrating with our application.
Okay, got it.
If I need to make notes or something,
can we make a drop down? Because if we put an open search, that might be missed. So if we can categorize the service with name, so that the name will be shown and drop down, so that people can click the drop down and see the services, that would be okay.
Yeah.
I think that's okay. Only if they can be in alphabetic order, so that people can still quickly find the application they are searching for. I don't know if that's possible, but
I think you're also going to integrate the search box in the drop down, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, then never mind. I
But
thought
alphabetic is always for my autism level always nice to have, but I think a search box is still really necessary.
Yeah.
Whether it's in the drop down, that's fine, but the search box would be really nice.
Okay, so just images will be a bit smaller, and it will be linked with somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Or what did you mean? Email will be?
The image will be linked with somewhere, right? So if anyone click on the image, where it will go.
Yeah, that's a really good one actually, because indeed now.
Maybe it shouldn't have to go somewhere. I made it this way right now, but I think it's
I actually wanted, Laura, and I think interns will focus on giving like an explanation here. We will build an assistant for them. Yeah, that's fine. I think this is good. It's always needs to go somewhere, and yeah. that actually. But for example, now it goes to HubSpot CRM. Well, it's next stack, the program that is the stuff that maybe needs to be done, and we are going to provide here the text ourselves. It's just that that this logic will be set up.
Yeah, you can put some text or some images or system or some information for each service so that we can create separate page for this.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And if you just make sure that we can add text there, then it will be fine, because then we can add the text ourselves, because I think it's easier because it's all in Dutch, and then we can search easily what software needs what explanation. So if you can just make it happen that all the softwares are there, the search box is there, and if you click the software, that there's a page where we can write a text about the software with a picture of the logo. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
So it's your call now. You have to give me that text and description. So on the archive zip, is there all the images are there? Oh, I got the mail.
The images are all in the email I sent it to you, and the text and descriptions we are going to make sure that ourselves that it's going to be there.
Yeah, got it.
So yeah, actually your job is that then all the images are here with the drop down with the search box, and that if it's clickable, you get this page, and we will make sure that the text here will be updated.
Yeah, okay, got it.
Yeah, and for now there were 3 different logos in one row, but I think it can be more so that it's more overlookable, because now they're pretty big.
We will redesign the whole page, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so is there anything else?
Yeah, there are something else, but maybe you first want to give an update about what you did, and then I'm going to give feedback. I think that's the best way to do. I saw that, for example, those 4 have been changed, which I don't think is smart to have to frequently ask questions in the beginning. But yeah, let's first, because I think you already did some stuff. Let's first dig into that you explain us a little what you did, and then we will dig into to the feedback. I think that's the right approach. If that's okay for you.
Okay, can you tell me again? I'm not clear actually.
I think it's good that first year we are going to discuss the stuff that you that you did, so that we can give a clear, for example, maybe some stuff you did not do yet, or I don't know, maybe you fixed it but not fully correct yet. I think it's good that you're first going to show us the part that you did, and that we then are going to give feedback what we like to change.
Okay, got it. Yeah, no problem. That'd be great.
So maybe you can take over now the screen recording.
And the system page is open for all, right? No login required, or no membership required. It will be open for anyone, right?
Yeah, this part is are we taking over ourselves? This is the backend, and
okay.
Yeah, for here you do not have to do anything. It's only this part.
Yeah, got it. Okay. So I'm just waiting for the text and other stuffs for the each logo, and we'll start building after completing the responsive part. Okay.
Yeah, I don't, maybe I'm not fully clear, but I think it's good to discuss now, like the part you already did, to discuss and give feedback on that, if that's possible. Is it possible that you share your screen and show us the changes you've made?
Yeah, actually we work on the responsive part. It's not completed yet. I think by 30 or 30 minutes it will be finished, and I will update you on Upwork so that you can check the whole responsiveness. One thing I need to know, do you like the home page right now? It is, I think at the bottom there needs some correction, like the screen. Go to the at the bottom, at the very bottom there are some screens like very small. I like this. Go to the previous section. Previous. Like this. Is it okay?
Yeah, this is actually okay, I think.
Yeah.
It's just, yeah, it's wait.
Not actually. I'm talking.
And these stuff have been twisted around.
Like 10x, 30%, 40%. The screen size is very small. based on the desktop actually. But if you like the design, then it's okay, no problem.
Yeah, the thing is, like, we have the responsiveness. So for example, if I'm now going to zoom out, this is not normal to go like this on a website. I don't know why this happens here, but for example, if I go to this page and I'm zooming out and in, this happens. And I feel like here the responsiveness is not fully integrated or something, because this is 25% and it's still as big as it is. And this is 200%. I feel like this is not normal for a website to do like this. So for example, if I zoom out here, you really zoom out everything. And here's, yeah, this happens. And I think that has to do with the responsiveness as well. I'm curious if you could have a look at that. Damn, I'm really not used to Zoom.
Okay, there are a few software you can check for each devices with those softwares like responsive checker. There are some extensions, and if you put the link on there, they will check responsiveness for all devices. And zoom in and zoom out, that is a different feature actually. So still it's not working good. So I will work on the desktop version. Right now I have work on mobile and tab version. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And what you just were seeing was like I have a really wide screen in front of me, and I'm now going to show it here. And I feel like already there has been done something, but there is a big difference still in the way my white screen pops up and this screen pops up. Yeah, I'm not quite sure if you guys can see that because I'm sharing my screen, but I feel like now on a normal screen it looks different than on the other screen. Yeah, I will show you one more. Let's see how I can do that, because now I'm going to show you on, because I have a different screen here as well, which is actually a vertical screen. And here I saw, for example, this stuff. I think this is also for the mobile version, because that will eventually be vertical as well. Yeah, as you see, that this looks a bit weird since this is not really
Yeah, that has to be in the colorful block, the three things.
exactly, but I think the colorful block needs to be a little bit bigger when you have a vertical screen. All right.
Yeah.
Then we have this part, yeah.
Okay, increase the
Also,
text. Yeah.
also for this, I think it's important to update the responsiveness a little.
Yeah, I see some changes that I already like, but some things still need to be
Yeah.
Definitely. That's also what I texted to you, Laura. Like,
yeah.
I see some nice stuff. But I think it's good to just keep in touch so that we're like, building this together the way we would like to see it. But it looks already way better than it did. So thanks for that.
Maybe the easiest way to go on for the responsiveness for now is that when you're like done with everything, that you send me a message on Upwork, and then I will check everything, and if I see things that I don't like, I will make a document with the things that still need to be changed as kind of feedback. Yeah, maybe that's the easiest way to go on.
And
Or
I've shared a link for checking the responsiveness for different devices on Upwork,
yes,
so that you can put the website on the link, so that you can check that for all
yeah.
devices. You don't need to justify that with different devices. You will see the responsive part for each devices on that website actually.
Okay. Yes, good.
Okay.
Nice.
Got it. So let us finish the responsive part, then we will.
Do like this, right? But it's fine. Yeah, I agree with Laure. Let's do it like that, and then we keep in touch.
Okay. Yes. So Do you think the 15 hours will be enough for this week for also the systems, like the previous contract we made on Upwork, or do you think you need more for all the systems?
Okay, so 15 hours per week. Okay, let us finish the hours. Just 5 hours gone. So we have already 10 hours. I think this is enough. If needed, I will knock you on Upwork.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so let's get in touch. After finishing, we will do another meeting and see what happened next.
Yes,
Thank
thank
you.
you very much.
That's good.
Have a good day.
Thank you, Maris. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank
And
you.
what is the
Bye.
spelling, Laure, right?
Sorry?
So what is the name, the spelling of the
Laure.
name? Laure.
Laure.
Oh,
But
thank you,
if you
Laure.
say anything is fine, I will understand. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good
Thank you
day
very much.
or evening. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.